Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 2.43 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. An ion with mass number 37 possesses 1 unit of negative charge. If the ion contains 11.1% more neutrons than the electrons, find the symbol of the ion. So in this whole question, suppose we have the ion E having 1 negative charge as they mentioned, and their mass number is 37 and atomic number is missing, and now we have to guess the symbol of this ion. So let's start. We'll start with let number of electrons in the ion is X. So the number of electrons in the atom, it should be X minus 1, because having minus charge, it means 1 electron came inside. So if 1 electron is there inside, it means the atom has 1 electron less than the ion. So we can say again, the number of protons in the atom or ion, it will be same as the number of electrons in the atom. It should be X minus 1, because in the atom number of protons and number of electrons both are same. Now or we can say, now we have to count the number of protons. So number of neutrons in the ion, it is given that it is 11.1% more neutrons than the electrons. So how could we write this? We will write this number of electrons in the ion plus 11.1% of electrons in the ion. So let's solve this. First, X plus 11.1 upon 100 X. So we will remove the decimal. Decimal will be shifted if we remove the 100 from below, and it will become X plus 0.111X. X means 1X. 1X plus 0.111X, it means 1.111X. Now this is the number of neutrons we get. Now we have number of electrons in the ion, number of protons in the atom, and number of neutrons in the ion. Using these values, we will reach the answer. Let's see how. As we know, neutrons plus protons is equal to atomic mass number. So here, if we put the values, we will easily get our answer. Now neutrons value will get 1.111X plus protons, what we assume, X minus 1 is equal to, A value is given, that is 37. This is for the ion. Now solve this. 1.111X plus X. Now this minus 1 will go to the right hand side, it will become plus 1 here. So add again. So X plus 1.111X, it become 2.111X is equal to 38. From here, value of X will be 38 divided by 2.111, and we'll get the answer in decimal, but we will write the approximate actual value, exact value, that will be 18. Now this will be the value of X, 18. So here what we assumed, X is the number of electrons in ion, is X is 18. So number of electrons or protons in the atom, it will be 18 minus 1 as we did in the first two lines, it will be 17. Now we will get 17 number of protons. Now we have protons is equal to 17 and it is denoted by Z, atomic number, and mass number A is 37. So we can be able to write the symbol of this element A and Z. So how could we write? Now Z is 17, it belongs to chlorine. We have to memorize this thing. Till 30 we have to memorize. So 17 number belongs to chlorine, that is fixed. So we can write the element E is symbol is chlorine. Here it is 17, it is 37, and because it is an ion, it becomes -1. So this is the symbol of the ion what the question talking about. This is the final answer. So friends, calculation is easy. Little bit to take care of the numbers you have to learn that 17 belongs to chlorine. So friends, keep like, share and subscribing the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, thank you.